Big puddles over there, guys. Poor frog. It's a good day out here, folks. Definitely not raining like hell. My sister's bike's out there. She's going to get it. Sitting here alone. Good time out here. The rain coming from the side, this side, the front, and probably the back. Anyway, just like that. In a little bit, I might go jump in the rain. I don't know. Might be fun. Probably. I don't know. So yeah, it's been raining probably like 5 times now. Soon it will stop, and then it will immediately start backing up again. Like going back. Yeah, dude. All this man. Poor frog, bruh. I can barely see what's out there. Barely, you can hear him trying to swim in. I don't know what that is right there, but you barely see that house from the back. There's a tree, mailboxes. That truck, our truck's windows opened. Sucks, bruh. Well, I might do part 4 Super Punch Out, so yeah. Look at all that water, dude. Oh yeah, got this. Smells like crap. Alright, bye guys.